Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the door latch motor on your stove. The reason why I might have to do this is because the self-cleaning system on your stove is not working properly. For this repair, you'll need a pair of needle nose pliers and a 1/4-inch nut driver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the stove that we're going to be using for our demonstration. It's a Frigidaire, and keep in mind that ours might be a little bit different than what you've got at home, but the same techniques should still apply. The first thing you want to do is make sure you turn your gas off. So the first thing we're going to do is turn our stove around. Now we have to remove this lower panel. So to get that off, we've got 5 screws holding it on, 1 in each corner there, and then 1 up top in the middle. Now as we do this last screw here, I'm holding on to the bottom part of the panel. We don't have to undo this screw all the way, but I'm just going to give it a couple turns and the panel slides right out. So we can set the panel off to the side. So this is our door latch motor, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my phone, just take a quick picture with where all the wires are. So now that I've got a picture of it, I'm going to start removing the wires. I've got 4 wires all together. So now I can start taking the wires off. These ones are going to be a little bit hard. So I'm going to use some needle nose pliers. Pull them straight off. There's no problem using some needle nose pliers to get a hold of it and pull it straight out. We got 2 more over here. There we go. So we're using a 1/4-inch nut driver and taking off all these screws. And now, as you see here, it's pretty easy. You just have to follow this latch right here and pull it out. So at a bit of an angle, so you just had to tilt it down a little bit while we pulled it out. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement door latch motor. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. So now I'm going to put this door latch motor on, and I'm going to push down on this a little bit, and we've got to tilt the motor, and once that goes into the slot properly, you can screw everything back in. So now we can plug the wires back in, and after referencing the picture that I took, it looks like this is exactly where the wires were. So I'm going to put them exactly where they were in the picture. There we go. Now that we've got all that plugged back in, we can put our panel back on. And now I'm going to put the first screw in on this side. I don't want to tighten up that top screw yet because I want to make sure all my other holes are lined up first. There we go. So we'll tighten up the top screw. And now we can turn our stove back around, plug everything back in, and your repair is complete. And now we can turn our gas back on. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.